Guys, welcome back to the channel. This is ASAS Pixel Retouch Academy. My name is Biggs, and today we'll be looking at the Retouch for Me EU. Now, we all know Retouch for Me produce one of the best leading industrial AI retouching software, and this is actually to help us speed our workflow, extend our workflow, and also make us get a perfect professional result during our editing process. Now let's dive right into the plugin. Okay, so I have two photos I would like to demonstrate the plugin on, and one good thing about this plugin is it works with Photoshop and also work as standalone, meaning you can use it outside of Photoshop, you can use it inside Photoshop. So first of all, you can go to their website and you can get the plugin. Well, good, you can go to the description below and use the link. You're actually going to get 20% discount for the purchase you are going to have or make. So you can use the promo code or you can use the link in the description below. It also leads to their website, but one good thing, you're going to get 20% discount. So let's see. Now once you get the plugin, install it in Photoshop, you're going to see it under the filter button. So you're going to see Retouch for Me, and you can see Retouch for Me EU there. So one good thing is this plugin is actually going to transform a photo from this, remove blemishes. That's what the Retouch for Me EU does. So we have different Retouch for Me dodge and burn, Retouch for Me portrait volume, Retouch for Me mate, Retouch for Me, a lot of Retouch for Me you can actually get. But this, we are looking at Retouch for Me EU. So it removes blemishes. No matter how many the blemishes is, it's actually going to remove it. So if, imagine you have a lot of images, you want to remove blemishes. Instead of doing this manually, you just take them through Retouch for Me EU, and it's going to do this. So let's see how this plugin works. I'm going to rasterize this layer. So we have it, and you can see this is it before. So let's do Ctrl J to duplicate it so we have what we can reference. So I'm going to come here, filter, go to Retouch for Me. You're going to see as many as you have installed. So let's do Retouch for Me EU. So it's going to load up, and automatically we start retouching it for you. But at first it's going to open up the sign-in page. So once you go to their website, register, pay for whatever you want to pay for, and then they are going to give you a license to use their plugin. Now you can see that the plugin actually works fine. So all the blemishes are gone. Now one good thing about it is that you can hold down this one to see your before and after. You can see, and also you can use the brush tool. It's actually going to show you where it's affecting in your image, and you can paint. You can just paint and right click or left click to remove it from some certain place or to add to it. And you can use the eraser button also if you won't feel like, oh, okay, you want to erase the mask. It's to erase the mask and add or erase that. And this one as well is to take it up. When you take it up and take it down, it just affects the way the retouch does. Okay, so let me turn that off and go to the pan. When you should zoom in, you can take this up and down, and this one give you invert mask, so you can invert your mask and bring it back. So you can see the blemishes are off. All right, so one or two, you can even run them twice. So but for here is your sensitivity. If you want to bring back some of the blemishes and make it look realistic, you can. If you want to take it all, you can take it all off. So this one look less retouch, this one look high retouch. So once you want the mask only, you can turn off the make mask and turn off make mask. So if I turn it off and I click apply, it's just going to create a black and white mask. So I'm turning it off and I'm clicking apply. Also, it has an option for full portrait, half portrait, and what's it called now, full portrait, half portrait. So this is the results I got. My first try, I got this one, which is we have some of this. So you can run it again, and actually it's going to get this. So the more you run it, sometimes the more it give you perfect result. Okay, so this is what we have. Now let's see this one. Let's bring it up again so you can see some of the blemishes the rough blemishes that we have on our face. So we're just gonna come here, make sure you duplicate the layer, Ctrl J, so that I'm just duplicating the layer anyway to have a reference where we are coming from. Okay, so just come here, go to filter, retouch for me, and retouch for me, and see magic the plugin is going to do. Right here, like I said, you can choose close-up portrait, half-length portrait, full-length portrait. So if the person, the leg and all the body is showing, you can click on this one. If half of the body is showing, like this now looks like a half-length portrait or a close-up portrait, so it will work fine for this image. So you just allow the plugin do its thing. And sorry, my computer is actually slow. Yours might process it very fast because I have a lot going on in my system. Okay, so I've explained, so let's just wait for the plugin to do what it's doing. Now we have it. Okay, so like I explained, this is our before and after. This is our pan and zoom. Let's zoom in and take it up and down. This is our brush, eraser, and invert mask and make mask. So sensitivity is to bring back some of the blemishes. Look at when I remove, it's going to bring back some of the roughness and the rough. If you want to make it look natural, but I want to remove everything completely, so we can do before and after. Before, you can see the little blemishes it removes for me, so it looks perfect. And invert mask back is going to do that. So you have an option to go live. You can go live. You can see live model update not available. So I'm using the factory model anyway, so you can purchase yours and have that. All right, so I'm just going to click apply, and that's all. So you don't need to waste much of time trying to figure out where you want to erase. Retouch for me, you got you covered. So next time I just want to see you using the retouch for me for yourself, and hasten up, speed up your workflow and get perfect results. You can also use this incorporated with other actions, so that as you use other actions, you can also, it's handy, comes in handy when you're using other actions or other plugins. So just imagine after this you can just quickly do dodging and burning. So we have dodging and burning, we have portrait volume where you want to create more depth. We still have more you can use, so make sure you try it out. You can also check my link in the description below, like I said, to get your 20% discount once you click on the link. See you in the next one. Thank you.